Welcome dear students. Today we will learn about conversion of units of time. In our daily life, we use different units of time. For example, when we are talking about a short duration of time, we read time in seconds or minutes. But when we are talking about a long duration of time, we read time in months or years. All these units of times can be converted into each other. Let us see an example. Here you can see that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 1 day is equals to 24 hours. 1 week is equals to 7 days. 1 year is equals to 52 weeks. Or 1 year can also be written as 365 days if you have to convert year into days. A decade means 10 years and a century means 100 years. All these units of time can be interchanged to each other. Let us see how can we convert them into each other. To convert a bigger unit of time to smaller unit, we should multiply. And to convert a smaller unit of time into bigger unit, we should divide. For example, if you have to convert a minute into second, since minute is greater than second, so we should multiply by 60. But if you have to convert second into minute, since second is smaller than minute, you should divide it by 60. Let us see some more examples. So you have to convert an hour into minute. It means you have to multiply by 60 because hour is greater than minute. For example, 8 hours has to be converted into minutes. So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So for 8 hours, you will do 8 into 60. That is 480 minutes. Another example is you have to convert a combination of 3 hours, 12 minutes into minutes. To convert hours into minutes, you will multiply by 60. So for converting 3 hours into minutes, you have to do 3 into 60, that is 180 minutes. Now the remaining number of minutes will be added to it, that is 180 plus 12, that will give you 192 minutes. So here we have learned that to convert hour into minutes, that is a bigger unit into smaller unit, we are going to multiply by 60. Let us see some more examples. In this example, we have to convert minutes into hours. Now, minute is a smaller unit as compared to hour. So, to convert minute into hour, we have to divide by 60. For example, 720 minutes. To convert 720 minutes into hours, you are going to divide 720 by 60. And for division, you can cancel zeros, that is, 1 zero of the denominator will cancel 1 zero of the numerator. And 72 divided by 6 will give you 12 hours. So children, to convert minutes into hours, that is a smaller unit to bigger unit, we are going to divide the given number of hours by 60. So this is time conversion chart. Here you are going to convert units of time. So children, you can see here that if you have to convert seconds into minutes, you are going to divide by 60. But if you have to convert minutes into seconds, you will multiply by 60 because minute is a bigger unit as compared to second. Now if you have to convert hours into minutes, you will multiply by 60. But if you have to convert minutes into hours, you will divide by 60 because hour is a greater unit as compared to minute. If you have to convert days into hours, you will multiply by 24 because one day has 24 hours. But if you have to convert hours into days, you will divide by 24. If you have to convert weeks into days, you will multiply by 7 because one week has 7 days. But if you have to convert days into weeks, you will divide by 7 since days is a smaller unit as compared to weeks. This is the basic conversion of time that we generally use in our daily life. Children, try to do these conversions yourself every day to have a great command over this topic. And for your practice, a number of questions are given in your book. Please try to solve them. Thank you for watching.